Well, coming in over there, guys, is the EasyJet's A320 from the Isle of Man. The aircraft came into service in July 2012, making the aircraft 11 years old. The registration is Golf-Echo Zulu Whiskey Bravo. The Airbus A320 of EasyJet from the Isle of Man to Manchester. Doesn't look too bad, the weather down there at the moment. If you look in the background, you can just see the rain coming down, so I don't think I've got one. So there's EasyJet. Still slowing down. Nice long runway to slow down on. There's runway 2 at Manchester. There you go. Engines are closed. Wings down. Job done.